student is lying on the ground. He seems very sad.
I need a red rose for my love. Poor young man, he is in love, but he is sad. Why does he need a red rose? Oh, my love, she wants to bring me a red rose, then she will dance with me. His love wants a red rose. I need a red rose, a red rose.
Student exits.
I must find a red rose for him.
Nightingale flies to white rose tree.
Can you hold me? I need a red rose.
I'm sorry, I didn't have any red roses. Mine are all white.
Oh no!
Go see my brother, who lives on the side of the garden.
Nightingale flies to yellow rose tree.
Can you hold me? I need a red rose.
I'm sorry, I don't have any red roses. Mine are all yellow.
Oh no!
Go see my brother, who lives by the house of the children.
Nightingale flies to red rose tree.
Can you hold me? I need a red rose.
My roses are red, but the winter has come and all.
Oh no! I only have one red rose. Is there any way to get one?
There is a way, but you have to do a better thing.
I'm not afraid. What must I do?
You must sing a song,
I can do that.
and you must press your wrist against my doors. All of your love has come from my flowers.
All of my blood, then I will die.
I'm sorry, it is the only way.
And I will do it. I will give you love. That is a high price for a rose. Love is better than life.
Nightingale presses her breast against the thorns and sings a last sweet song. Finally, rose tree has a red rose on it.
Red rose, finally.
He goes to see the girl. Wait.
Here is a red rose. Now you must dance with me. I love you. Good morning. With my dress. Beside another young man gave me some gifts. Everyone knows that the goods are more than rose. But the silly thing love is found, but love is studied is better than love. I think now I must dance with thee.